Hello everybody, my name is Jose Romero. This is my presentation. This is the supermarket where I buy my food. This is quite cheap but also quite expensive. I always buy healthy food for myself and my family, like eggs, bread, cheese, more protein and less of food that I'm going to cook. My favorite protein is egg because there are chips and sell for 500 pesos in my neighborhood. I love the cookie and they're very cheap. I buy 10 for 200. Um, and finally, the vegetables are also inexpensive, like the fruit ranking from 1,000 to 10,000 pesos. Thank you so much.